With time, your couch and seating cushions may become less supportive as the foam inside begins to age and deteriorate. Luckily, it's very easy to replace your foam inserts and extend the life of your seating. Today we will be replacing the old foam in a seat cushion. First, we measure the cushion dimensions from the inside of each seam along the middle of each side. Write your dimensions down to use when ordering your custom cut foam from Updated Foam. The dimensions that you will require are length, width, and thickness. Remove the old foam insert carefully without damaging your cushion cover. Dispose of your old foam correctly according to your local waste management standards. With your new replacement foam insert ready, we can now begin stuffing the cover. Silicone spray can help lubricate the insert to make it easier to work with. Fold your insert in half with the back side facing you and slide it inside the cover. Make sure the corners of the insert match up with the back corners of the cover. Check both sides by flipping the cushion and make sure that all corners are nested properly. Gently work the insert inside until you can close the zipper. Take extra care not to catch any of the terraline in the zipper. Congratulations! You've extended the life of your seating by years and helped reduce landfill waste by refinishing your seating. Updated Foam offers custom-cut foam to your dimensions, high-quality upholstery foam in all densities.